Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into folder tools. Now click on recorder, and normally you need to tap allow over here, but I already did that, so all I need to do is click on the red button to start my recording. If you wish to pause it and unpause it, click on the same red button. But if you want to end it and save it, tap on the right one. Then name your recording and save it by clicking at the top right corner of this pop-up. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to delete it, all you need to do is hold it, click on the pin icon at the bottom right corner and choose delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!